Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm gonna be going through our Forex weekly forecast for the week of September 27 to the 1st of October 2021. This is Teamwitherving here. Welcome to our Forex weekly analysis guide and forecast. So we are trading here with TWEforexsystem.com. So if you guys want the best tip, tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our Forex channel, make sure that you do subscribe so you don't ever miss any content from us. Everything in here, we are gonna give it to you anyway for free. Let's go, guys. Let's see what the market has to offer. But this is the last week of September. So this month, guys, I think we have lost 3 pairs for the entire month. It's a damn pretty good month. Even if we lose this month, this week, we're still in a winning ratio. So freaking awesome, guys. Super excited. Make sure you guys subscribe, guys. So let's get to work. Let's see what the market is gonna offer us this week. So we're gonna go ahead and start with AUD USD. Pay close attention. What is our multiple time frame letting us know here, guys? Our multiple time frame is letting us know that we are selling the market. What is our TWE sniper entry letting us know? Yes, Irvin, we are selling the market. So I'm super excited, guys. Market this week still in a sell position. Look at the continuation of this sell position here. Beautifully, guys. So all I can say, guys, for this coming week, for the week of September 27 to October 1st, the month still has potential to keep rolling down, basically selling. Most likely it's gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame touches in here. Same thing with this multiple time frame full green arrow here, and from there market is gonna make a small retracement, retesting your mid 61 and your 50 Fibonacci line. From there market will continue selling down. So we are here, guys, to collect this what? We are here to collect hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So what do you guys think we are here for, guys? That's what we're here for. We are here to collect this hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips with the market. So let's get to work. So hopefully everything makes sense. All right, one quick disclaimer, guys, before I do forget, is the following, guy. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader here trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds of pips with the market. Remember, guys, do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. If you don't know how to trade, please let us know. We are here to help you. You can join our multiple time frame, or either whatever you want to do, or either you can join our 30-day trial on YouTube, or if you don't want to wait, guess what? You can join directly our multiple time frame, so you don't have to wait any longer. So the description of the link is on the description of this video. Okay, so just wanted to make sure I bring it up. And guys, every week we are giving you guys a lot of freebie, guys. We are giving you over 1,200 pips every single week, giving you free analysis here in our channel. So make sure you do subscribe so you don't ever miss anything from us. Fair enough? Fair. Let's go. All right, let me show you what the next pair is all about. The next pair that I have for you guys, it is hold on, I think Adobe Pro want to open my PC. The next pair that I have for you guys is USD Canadian. Pay close attention. USD Canadian still selling in here, guys. All I can see here is the USD Canadian still giving us a sell position. Boom. Look at what else is showing us here. Boom. TWE sniper entry is also letting us know that we are selling the market at this present time. So the pullback, this buy position here, pullback is game over. There's no longer a buy position, so the sellers are still in charge here. Look at here, boom, sellers are selling this week. And all I can say, guys, the market still has potential to keep pushing down. Market will come back and retest your mid 38 to your 23 Fibonacci line. From there, market is gonna do a small retracement, and overall all I'm seeing here is the market still has a huge potential to keep going as a bearish position. Even if you guys look at your dashboard, guys, the dashboard in here is telling us that we are selling the market at this present time. So I don't see anything else. The market is trying to do something else. Unless if you guys do see something else, please let me know. But other than that, I don't. All I can say is the market here still has huge potential to keep pushing the market down. All right, so guys, one thing, guys, that is very important for you guys is I always give you free over at least over 1,200 pips, guys. Here in our Forex multiple time frame, I give you over 1,200 pips every week, every month, for free, giving you a weekly analysis. So make sure you do subscribe, and if you guys want to, you know, join our multiple time frame all at once, like I said earlier, you are more than welcome to do it. You can join our YouTube Gold membership for 30 days. You're gonna have access to see me how I break down each pair, or you can join our multiple time frame. The link is on the description of this video. So let's go, guys. So if you want to see how I break down and give you all those hundreds and hundreds of pips for free, make sure you do subscribe. All right, so what is going on here? Okay, let's move on to our next one. EURGBP. EURGBP, guys, is also giving us a sell position this coming week. All I can see here is the EURGBP is forming a continuation of the sell position. Remember, that's a pullback. Market is in a buy position. TWE is saying the market is buy. Multiple time frame is telling us that we're in a buy position, so it is buy. So what I'm seeing here is that market is giving us a sell position, a pullback. So I can say it's right from the 23.6 Fibonacci level. The market is gonna come back and retest this previous 38.2 Fibonacci level. Then gonna make a continuation of the buy, and finally it's gonna retrace. But overall, guys, remember what is the master trend for EURGBP? EURGBP, guys, it is in a buy position. All right, so I just want you to remember that the master trend on EURGBP, it is bullish. If you are looking for trade, you should be looking for buyers. I don't know what kind of traders you guys are in, guys. If you don't know how to trade pullback, look, this is a pullback. This is exactly a pullback. If you don't know how to trade pullback, do me a favor, don't trade it. Please don't trade it. And guys, stop wasting your money on signal. Guys, please do me a favor, stop wasting your money on signal. Look, I'm giving you here a lot of great, amazing content here. It's not costing you anything. Look, I'm giving you content what is gonna happen on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Go ahead and challenge any of your instructor and tell them, hey, let's say, hey, Apple, can you tell me what is the market gonna do on Monday? They're not gonna give you anything, guys. They want you to know the minimum so they can keep collecting those hundreds and hundreds of dollars from you. Basically, this is what they got. This is what they're here for, guys. They're trying to collect those hundreds and hundreds of what? Look, that's what they're gonna be collecting from you guys, and you don't want to be giving you hundreds and hundreds of dollars away, because they're not gonna give you information. Guess what? This is what they're gonna give you. They're gonna give you bounce back and forth. As soon as you ask, hey, what about Monday? What about Tuesday? Nope, they're not gonna give it to you. Guarantee you that. So learn how to trade, guys. Come and join us. Join our multiple time frame, guys. This is the best investment you're gonna ever done in your lifetime. If you cannot afford to have the multiple time frame, what you can do is the following. You can join our YouTube Gold membership for $39. You will have access for 30 days, guys. You're gonna be seeing me how I break down every pair. There's some extra rules that you're gonna see. You're not gonna have access to the multiple time frame, but which is fine, but at least you're gonna spend your $39, and it's gonna be the best investment of your lifetime. So come and join us, and you won't regret it. All right, the next pair that I have for everyone, it is EURUSD. This is one of the most tradable pair in the world, guys. Let me say that. This is one of the most tradable pair in the world. Remember one thing, guys. You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. Always remember that, guys. And don't wait for opportunity, guys. Create it here with our multiple time frame, guys. Create it here with Teamwitherving. you get what you focus on, guys. If you focus on learning how to trade, you will get results. But if you focus on paying somebody else for signal, you will fail, because signal sucks, guys. I just want to make sure that you do understand that, and let's get to work. So what's going on with EURUSD? EURUSD at this real time here, it is selling multiple time frame, is letting us know that yes, we are selling the market. What it is, our TWE sniper entry letting us know here, Irvin TWE sniper entry, it is selling. Look at the drop, guys. You can't deny it. Look at here, boom, market has been dropping like it's hot. So all we here for, guys, look at this, guy. We want to get excited and let you know, hey, look at what the market is doing. Boom, everybody's excited. Look, even my body here is super excited and say, hey, John, hey, Ben, hey, Veronica, hey, Valentina, hey, Lillian, hey, everybody, let's get excited. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate success with Teamwitherving. All right, let's go, guys. All right, so hopefully this makes sense here. What I'm seeing here on EURUSD is market still has potential to come back and retest this previous multiple time frame in here. Then from there, market is gonna come back and retest your 78.6 Fibonacci line, and then we'll continue as a bearish, because the market here is bearish, guys. It is bearish, unless if I do see something else, maybe on Monday, on Tuesday, the market is gonna be in a buy position. Then I have to let you know. But in the meantime, guys, we're gonna do a live session on Tuesday. Hopefully you guys can join my YouTube private membership, and so you can see it, how we break down every pairs that I'm going through in here. So let's go, guys. All right, so I just wanted to reminder, guys, one quick reminder before I do forget. I don't know if I already said it, that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not signals, guys. I don't believe in signals, guys. I believe on you becoming a signal provider, learning how to trade, not depending on somebody else's idea, because that sucks. Remember, don't invest any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. This business is very risky. So learn how to trade. Trade with me. Trade with multiple time frames. The link is in the description of this video. Let's get to work. All right, the next pair that I have for everyone, it is the following, guys. It is another most tradable pair in the world, which is USDJPY. Let's go. What is USDJPY doing, guys? I believe the USDJPY, guys, it's gonna be in a sell position this coming weeks. The month of September is gonna be closing selling this pair here. Why, right? It's gonna be a pullback, guys. So what I'm seeing here is, look at the dashboard. The dashboard is already firming. On Friday, it tried to give you the answer, but it didn't. I mean, it was Friday, so it couldn't give you the data, right? But still, look, market is forming already, letting you know, yes, the market is getting ready for that drop, but it's still in a bullish position. So multiple time frame is here. Our TWE sniper entries here, saying, okay, I'm in a buy position. Look at this one. Boom! Market went bullish. And I mean, it's bullish, guys. At this present time, market, oh God, I grabbed the wrong tool. Market in here, it is bullish, and guess what? Boom, it's bullish. Now, all I can say, guys, is the market still has potential to come back and still give you another few more pips, retesting your 100 Fibonacci level. Remember, this 100 Fibonacci level here, it is your sell zone. Your buy zone is your 0 Fibonacci level, and your your buy zone, your sell zone is your 100 Fibonacci level. So the market is coming on your 100 Fibonacci level, which means the market will be selling down, but this sell here will be a pullback, guys, because the market here, it is bullish at this real time. Even if you disagree with me, look at here. You tell me, look, market is bullish 100%, guys. And I start loving to trade on 1 hour, guys. Even if you go to 1 hour, oh my goodness, guys, let me show you 1 hour what the market is doing. Look at where the multiple time frame is sitting, guys. Look at this. Look at the beast of being on 1 hour. Look at this one. Boom. If you would have had multiple time frame, all this would have been your money. Simple, straightforward, and boom, everybody is making money. Look, 1 hour is getting ready for that drop, but that drop is not ready there yet. I'm telling you what is gonna happen, guys. Market still has potential to keep pushing up. Then guess what? Market will be giving you some pullback coming down. So if you don't know how to trade pullback, don't trade it. Please don't trade it. Ask questions. We're here to help you. If you need any question to be answered, let me know. I'm here to help you guys. If you guys want to join our 30 days trial, you are more than welcome to do so. Or if you want to join our multiple time frame, you are also more than welcome to do it as well. So look, guys, all I'm doing here, guys, all I'm doing for you guys is the following, guys. I'm giving you guys a lot of goodies. To be honest, I'm giving you a lot of pips trading multiple time frames here on our Forex multiple time frame, guys. We are giving you every week, every month, over 1,200 blue pips at no charge. That could be $12,000. Who in the hell is gonna do that? Guys, some of the instructors, as soon as they make 500, 800, or 40 pips, they run to their PC and they start recording video and try to impress you. Look at here, I'm giving you over 1,200 pips, guys. This is no charge to you. All you have to do is do me a favor, guys. Make sure you destroy the like button so I can, and I mean, all you have to do is don't miss any video, guys. We give you a daily trading video all the time. Subscribe to Teamwitherving. That's gonna be the best thing you're gonna ever done in your life. And what are we doing today, guys? What are we doing today? What we are doing today here is the following, guys. We are reviewing our Forex weekly forecast for the week of September 27 to October 1st, 2021, trading with TWEForexSystem.com. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't ever miss anything, and I will guys see you on Tuesday on a live training. Same thing on Wednesday, same thing on Thursday, and let's make this month of September the best month ever. Let's go, guys. So thank you. I want to thank everybody for being here. God bless you. God bless our beautiful nation, the United States, and God bless the world and your family as well. And remember, stay humble, guys. No matter how much success you're gonna find in this business, stay humble, guys. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Hasta mañana. Peace out.